Hi, my name is Ashley, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Columbia French Press Coffee Maker. The Columbia is made of a double wall stainless steel that makes it one of our most durable French presses. The double wall feature keeps the outside cool to the touch and your coffee hot for longer. The filter is made of a fine stainless steel mesh with a silicone band to prevent scratching. It comes in a variety of sizes, as you see, for anyone's needs. French press is also an environmentally safe way to brew coffee. There's very minimal waste created from brewing in a French press, since no paper filters or plastic cups are required. Just taste, no waste. Now we get into the best part, making the coffee. To make French press coffee, first you put your freshly ground coarse grinds into the carafe. You're going to do 1 Bodum scoop for every 4 ounces of water. Once your water has boiled, you simply remove it from the heating source and allow it to sit for about 20 seconds. The perfect temperature of water is 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just below boiling point. You pour your hot water over the grinds, you stir with a wooden or plastic spoon, you place your lid on, and you brew for about 3 to 4 minutes based on your strength preference. For stronger coffee, it is better to allow it to brew longer. Adding more coffee grinds could make the coffee taste a little bit bitter. Once you're done brewing, you simply press down, pour, and enjoy. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, French press coffee will soon be your favorite way of making coffee.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.